Wanna bet you've been opening canning jars wrong your whole life too? In this video I'm going to show you a really awesome trick that you can always use to open canning jars in a really easy way and without really having to use a lot of force. So even if you are a little weak in the arm, this way you get a jar really always open. You probably also know some tricks. For example, by cutting a small hole with a knife up here to let air into the jar so that you can open the jar very easily. Or there is also the method of using a normal small knife to hook somewhere under the rim to get air into the jar. But these tricks don't always work, and if you poke a hole in the top, it will rust quickly and the food you have in this jar will start to mold faster. If you look under the lid here, you see that it's a little thicker in some places and a little thinner in some other places. Now you pick out the thinner parts and put your hands over the lid of the jar, exactly as I'm showing you now. Because all you have to do then is press your hands together properly or press your palms against the lid, and the vacuum should then escape very quickly and you can open the jar really easily and super quickly afterwards. As you can see here, I now have air in here and I can now just open the jar. Try this really simple trick therefore also definitely once. In this video, which I link to you at this point, I also show you another trick how you get cloudy glasses in seconds, again really nice and clear. Check out the video as well. If you liked the video then I would be really happy about a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and activate the bell so you don't miss any new video.